Hi everyone, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and your notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I post. Also, this is going to be on migratory birds and just my general nature photography. Thanks for watching again. Till next time, here you go. Hey everyone! If you made it this far through my video, thank you so much for watching. And if you have never seen my videos before and want to, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I post. And if you also would like, go ahead and hit the next video screen on the right upper corner and left corner, and watch some other backyard bird photography content if you would like.